Let's talk about Revit interface. What we have here in the center, you can see drawing area. You will see here your lights, cable trays, sockets, and so on. On the top, it's quick access toolbar. When we have ribbon tabs, ribbon panels, and ribbon tools. For example, if you just place your mouse on ribbon tool, wait a little bit, you can see detailed explanation of this functionality. It's very useful. For example, if I go to architecture, I put my mouse on column, I can see description of this tool, and in brackets you see CL. This is a hotkeys. Actually, I have a very good trick for hotkeys. Just press Alt. You will see on the top hotkeys for every menu. For example, I want to go to systems, I'm pressing S. I want to go to electrical, I'm pressing EL. And I want to go to wire, I'm pressing W. And I'm choosing arc wire. It's a very good trick. When we have to the left properties for every element or plan or so on, it's properties palette and project browser, where you have all your project plans, views, families, schedules, legends, and etc. To the right, it's a system browser. Here we will have our electrical circuits, electrical systems, and usually I'm not using this system browser in the beginning stage of my project, so you can actually press F9 and it will be disappeared. Or you can go to view, you can go to user interface, and you can switch on or off any menu here. If you go, for example, to system browser, again, you can see description and hotkeys like F9. So again, I'm pressing F9 and I have my system browser come back. So this is it. And at the bottom, we have a view secret functionality buttons. Like I will explain in details in next lessons the possibility and what I am using from it. So see you in next lesson. Bye.